Hey guys, welcome back to New World Carpentry Solutions. And now that we have officially completed this LVP install inside this RV, I get to give you guys a close-up of everything that we got done. Show you guys how the RV transformed from how it originally looked with the ugly green carpet to the look that we have now. I think this gray soft color actually complements the walls really nice, and it actually widens up the space. It makes it feel a lot larger. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's completely closed, how it works with the slide outs and everything else. So I'm gonna actually go and grab the camera and kind of pan around everything as we close up the RV so you guys can see everything that we did and how it turned out, and also how it functions with the sliding mechanisms that the RV has already built in. So right here at the front of the RV, we have a flush slide, and then we have one of the rack and pinion slides that actually just pulls in. These cabinets were added afterwards, and they're actually sitting on top of some carpet, so all I did was cut the carpet back far back enough to where I can run my LVP. Then I have a nosing piece that's glued on. That needs to sit up for like another 45 minutes to an hour to make sure that's completely dry. We also end up picture framing around the carpet area that's right up here by the steering wheel. They had to get picture framed and leave the carpet because we could not apply anything else around the pedals and everything else. But again, I think that makes it look really nice, and if the clients ever want to, they can always change out that carpet for a different color. But I think carpet around the pedals is probably the best option. Then we're going to come over here to the front, to the flush slides, and how we did the transition here. We actually have the LVP stopping right at the edge of the slide. So when it comes up, it has just enough clearance to come up and over, and slides all the way into the RV with no problems. Coming up here to the front, actually, we have the steps. It's fairly dark. I don't know what this is. Oh, I think my mom had dropped something to help me clean. It's fairly dark, but we have the steps with the nosing piece attached and this little fold-out platform. That gives the passenger something to put their feet on while the RV is actually in transit. We actually wrapped all that in vinyl. We have the vinyl going underneath the main console there, so everything looks really seamless right there. We have it notched around everything that we needed to. It runs underneath these cabinets about 1.5 rows. We have quarter round covering all the seams and transitions. And then we have a reducer right here around the shower. And again, that beautiful quarter round transition around everything else. Again, we didn't touch the bathroom, but we did add a reducer right there to make that transition. But now I'm going to set the camera up, close up the RV so you guys can see what it looks like when everything is closed up. Start right here with the back bedroom. In the back bedroom, the only thing that actually slides is the bed and the cabinet that's behind it. The whole bed top assembly is on a slide. Then the cabinet all the way around is what slides with it. But this room is done. Now I'm gonna show you guys how the front side looks when you close that up. Let's do this side first. That's one side, and then the kitchen side. And now in this position, the RV is completely closed. You still have about, I don't know, maybe 2.5, 3 foot walkway down here through the middle. But you're able to transport and go down up and down the road. But if you guys have enjoyed this series of videos on this RV flooring install, let me know down in the comments. Leave me a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.